DIY Auto.
All right, guys, and we are back. And as you can see, we picked up the Icon Professional Ratchet Low Profile 90 tooth 3/8 drive ratchet socket wrench. So yes, guys, we took advantage of the sale this past weekend. So actually, with this one specifically, we had a 25% off coupon that was no exclusions. It was one of those "we miss you" coupons, trying to get you back in to spend some money, and it actually kind of worked. So this one is originally $40, I believe, and with that 25% off coupon, we got it for actually $30 and some change with tax out the door. So anyway, guys, $30 out the door, not a bad deal. So it's 1 1/4 inch wide, 7/16 inch long. And here on the back, we got professional ratchet, low profile 90 tooth, 3/8 inch drive, RSG2. It's got a precision matched gears to provide smooth ratcheting action and withstand heavy torque. A 90 tooth gear to gear mechanism produces a tight 4-degree arc. Swing for easy work in small spaces. Low profile head allows easy clearance into the most cramped work areas. Polished chrome finish offers superior corrosion resistance and easily wipes clean. Comfort grip designed for reduced hand fatigue and a non-slip grip. Lifetime guarantee. So yes, guys, we went with the comfort grip. I'm a sucker for the comfort grip, non-slip, and it's actually not much more than the one without the comfort grip. Actually, I think it's the same price, but Harbor Freight's having an instant savings on the non-comfort grip, so you get it for $37, I believe, instead of the original $40. But with my coupon, this actually came out cheaper than that one, and you can't apply it to that one as well anyway, so this actually was cheaper. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to take it out of the box. Oh, fancy. So it comes in this plastic type container. Looks like you have like a cloth to wipe it down, wipe your fingerprints off, and here's your ratchet. So pretty nice ratchet. It seems pretty sturdy. Here's your low profile head. Hopefully you guys can hear that. That 90 tooth in there. Your on-off selector switch. Not bad. Not bad at all. Doesn't seem like it sticks up too far, but it does stick up. I kind of like the recessed ones. Kind of like in the gear wrench that I showed you guys on the last video, or the last on my gear wrench video. I'm kind of afraid that once I'm in a tight spot that this might accidentally click over, but we'll see. If you guys have had that experience with these ratchets or socket wrenches, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Let me know. Let me know if you guys had that trouble where this flicks on and off accidentally rubbing up against something. The comfort grip, it's pretty nice. It almost feels rubber. It almost feels plasticky. I'm not gonna lie, kind of feels a little plasticky. It's still nice. I still think the gear wrench grips were a lot nicer than this, but it still gives you a good grip, a good purchase. So not bad. It's R2SG. And then it says 90 tooth here. I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but it says up here, do not submerge in fluids. So yeah, guys, pretty nice socket wrench. I got 3/8 because I usually use 3/8 a lot more than I use 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. And if you guys see my gear wrench video, you'll see that I kind of regret getting the non-flex head. The flex heads kind of mess up on me a lot, and it just kind of frustrates me, and I lose time. So I wanted to try something else, and I've been seeing these Icon wrenches. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about them, or these Icon socket wrenches. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about them, and I wanted to see what the hype was about. And because I had the coupon, I went ahead and pulled the trigger on it. According to Harbor Freight, these are comparable to Snap-on. I don't know how true that is, but I guess we'll see how these hold up. So anyway, guys, there's the 3/8 drive Icon professional ratchet, low profile, 90 tooth with the comfort grip. So pretty nice, guys. I'm kind of excited to try it out. But like I said, I got it because it was on sale. It was pretty cheap. And it's the non-flex head. That's what I was wanting. I want to try it out. So anyway, guys, that's the 3/8. And we did something we weren't expecting to do. We actually went back before the weekend ended and got the 1/2 inch version. So I'm not going to, I'll pull it out and show you guys, but I'm not going to go through the box because it's exactly the same as on the 3/8 inch drive box. Same stuff. It's the same exact one. Well, it's the same one, but the head is, if you guys can see it there, 1 inch and 5/8 across. The length is 12 and 7/8 long, and the width of the head is 11/16. Hopefully you guys can see it there. Anyway, I'll pull this out. This comes exactly the same. You have your little cloth here so that you can wipe your socket wrench down, and it's the same thing, guys. This one's R3SG. So again, feels pretty sturdy. On and off selector switch. Says Icon up here. That comfort grip. Feels a little plasticky, a little rubbery. Especially the black areas feels more like plastic, and the orange or red area here feels more rubbery. So we weren't planning on getting the 1/2 inch. We used our, we kind of messed up the coupons a little bit because I was not expecting to get the 1/2 inch. We were just going to get the 3/8. So we used the 25% off coupon on this. Basically got $10 off. And then the 20% off coupon for Icon for the weekend sale, we actually used to get the 1/2 inch. And this one's originally $45. And we ended up getting $10 off this, so it came out to about $35. So still not bad, or no, with tax and everything, it was about just under $40. So not a bad deal, guys. Kind of excited to try them and see how well they do. I wanted a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch non-flex head. And like I said, been hearing a lot of good stuff about the Icon socket wrenches, and wanted to see what all the hype's about, and to also give you guys the rundown after we've used them for quite extensively and we feel like we could give a review. We will give a review on them. But as of now, just showing you what I picked up for the weekend sale. I told you guys I would let you guys know if I picked up anything. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys picked up this past Mother's Day weekend sale at Harbor Freight. Whatever it may be, and let me know if you guys have had any experiences with these ratchets, these socket wrenches. Are they good, bad? What do you like about them? What don't you like about them? So let me know in the comment section below, guys. and we'll go from there. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.